Mastering idioms. Unpack Go All Out in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, the home of language exploration and English mastery. Today, we're diving into a very popular English phrase, go all out. Have you heard someone say they're going to go all out for a party or a project? Ever wondered what that means exactly? Well, you're in the right place. Let's uncover the essence of this expression together. Go all out is an idiomatic expression that means to do something with as much effort, enthusiasm, or commitment as possible. It's about putting your heart and soul into an activity or endeavor. When someone decides to go all out, they are not holding back. They're giving it their all, sparing no expense or effort. For example, if your friend says, "I'm going to go all out for my birthday party," they mean they will do everything they can to make the party amazing, even if it takes a lot of time, money, or energy. The phrase, go all out, is believed to have originated in sports, referring to athletes who would put every ounce of their energy into winning a game or race. Over time, this phrase has transcended the athletic arena and is now used in all sorts of contexts to describe giving something your maximum effort. Let's see how go all out fits into everyday conversation. Event planning. We need to impress our clients, so let's go all out for the product launch. Personal goals. This year, I'm going to go all out and finally start my own business. Festivities. They always go all out for Halloween, with costumes, decorations, and loads of candy. While go all out is a versatile phrase, it's important to use it in contexts where it's clear that maximum effort is being discussed. It's typically used to talk about positive, energetic actions. It wouldn't be appropriate in solemn or serious situations. For those times when you want to mix up your language a bit, here are some synonyms. Pull out all the stops. Spare no effort. Give it your best shot. Leave no stone unturned. That's a wrap on Go All Out. Remember, English is a rich and vibrant language filled with expressions that can add color to our conversations. We hope this video has shed some light on how to use and understand this energetic phrase. Go all out in your English learning journey, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more language tips. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.